And the vision is more or so people are, or the CIOs or the IT managers are looking towards vision of consolidation and standardization. Consolidation in the sense physically there should be few boxes to manage. There should be few boxes to save space in the data center. The data center should be green. They are using less power, less energy. They are environment friendly, and they are easy to manage. It's not that you need around for managing 5 boxes, you need a team of around 25 people to manage it. It's not that. So to run the show, you need these kind of consolidation and more standardization in terms of what system to be used, how things needs to be running on those systems, so that the scalability is easy. And more so in case these things are coming from one vendor, it is much better, because there is one neck to catch whenever something goes wrong, and one area or one organization through which all the patches, all the compatibility things are getting provided. So so 3 major areas which we normally look at: the database and hardware platform consolidation, second the infrastructure consolidation, and third the service model where people can talk to us easily, and in case they are facing some issue, we can easily be able to solve them or solve their issues. So now I think I have reached this slide a bit early, because this is what is there in the engineer system group from Oracle. So what was there earlier? There are multiple vendors. Things are delivered in piece. Like we are having Red Hat Linux, it is given by a different vendor altogether. Then Oracle is providing maybe the database. RAC is coming maybe from IBM. Then for virtualization, for giving the services on a cloud kind of a scenario, we have a VMware, which is a different product altogether. Then the storage needs to come from EMC, or the networking needs to be done by Cisco. And bringing them all together on a platform where they can talk to each other, it is a kind of starting a project where you are building your own house and you are managing all the vendors or all the simple labors on your own. Means you are getting a plumber, you are getting someone from you are getting an electrician, even talking to someone who is doing a normal contract work for you. So won't it be better, or won't it be simpler, that we give this one to an organization which has all these products together, and which makes our life simpler because we are talking to one vendor. So these things are delivered in pieces, then they are assembled on site. Means sometimes something is missing, another time another set of issues are there. Then one-off configuration, in the sense that they are good product on their own, but whenever they are talking in sync with others, there where the problem starts. And tested by you, means the normal tendency which we have seen, that the service provider comes or a product provider comes, they say, okay, this is a product I am giving. Now the onus is on you to take the handover or take the things which are tested by you. If something goes wrong once you have tested, then it comes to a process which is a kind of a AMC, or services which are more of a change request. So you have paid everything right to a vendor, but if something goes wrong, they are not the one who are doing it without taking extra money. Yes, apart from the money, the idea is they should be able to provide the right service also. And the painful maintenance cycle, sometimes one patch is applied to one set of a product, it gives issue whenever you are managing the other set of it. So this is how things have changed, and people have started demanding one single product from a single vendor, which can provide and give you all these benefits together. So the idea is make the lowest for the customer by bringing one vendor, deliver something which is intact and complete, which is tested, which is factory assembled, means everything is coming to you in a one single box, be it processors, be it a rack, be it a network which is InfiniBand, be it a storage, maybe everything clubbed together into one machine, which make things life easier, and then a product of Linux or a OS running from you, and someone who is coming and switching everything and doing everything for you to start it. So it is not that you need to test and tell them. It is tested, it is factory assembled, everything is coming into one box. And the maintenance cycle is simpler because whatever patches are coming on the quarterly basis, they take care of each and every aspect rather than looking at one side of it and then it is giving issues on the other side. I'll not say that things have totally changed, but yes, the risk has been reduced by around 95%. Since if something goes wrong, then also you have one organization to catch hold of. Now, what is the benefit of this approach? Shift cost to profit. Till this time, we are not looking at how to save. We are looking at the total cost of ownership. Now the approach is how to shift it to a profit. It is no more an investment which is must to have but not bringing any value. It is now an investment which is bringing value to you. Focus on innovation, shift budgets to new project, whatever you are going to save, whatever things, the cost is tangible, you know what is the total cost which you are going to come. There is no hidden thing that, okay, X vendor is taking A price, B is taking another price, C is taking another, and you don't know what is the total cost of the project. Here the cost is within your hand and known to you from day one. Support more client because it supports the cloud architecture, it supports the virtualization, accelerate the projects from months to days, and then the theme is consolidation. Consolidate each and everything into one to reduce the risk. Second is improve time to value. Whenever you are going live on a project, the main area of risk is when the hardware is going to arise, when things will be in place. So you are reducing that time to value. You can go live fast, add new business anytime, add new capabilities also, and yes, now you can focus on more innovation, more towards, okay, the product is stable, the hardware is stable, you can scale it. So the thought is not that if I'm adding on an application or I'm going to add something more, how it is going to affect me or how many months it's going to take me. Because you know your infrastructure can be scaled to this level, you can easily put up new applications. So the tension, that back of the mind issues that, okay, what will happen to my infrastructure whenever I'll add something new, that is reduced, and that gives you a lot of mental satisfaction whenever you are adding on or putting up new services in place. Yes, less of finger pointing. There are owners. The systems are not disowned by everyone. So you have owners. You have one neck to catch hold of. And all those heroes and knights, whenever something is happening, you are rushing to your office and someone is coming late at night and trying to solve your issues or the weekends, that is reduced majorly. And yes, the biggest impact or biggest benefit to the whole means from this approach is ensure the system availability. The systems can be available practically 24/7, 365 days of year. So you are not going to see the sudden blackouts whenever the peak season is coming, people are booking, maybe on a travel site, people are booking their um, journeys, their vacations, and at that time suddenly the system goes down. So that kind of uncertainty is no more there. From engineered system space, there are different products in the lineup. One which I am talking of is the Exadata from Oracle lineage. Similar product comes from IBM also, which is again a kind of a consolidated system. But since I'm focusing right now on the Oracle side of it, so the product lineup is, and they are the leaders right now in this space apart from IBM. So they have the whole bouquet with them. One is the database machine, which is Exadata. From their Sun lineage, it is Supercluster, Sun Supercluster. Then they have a product for running the application side of it and making it most as far as performance goes. They can enhance it to the multiple levels. So that is a product called Exalogic, which can help you in bringing up your cloud infrastructure. Then the big data appliance, basically for managing the unstructured or the big data which is getting generated through social media, through your own queries, through your surveys and everything. So how to manage it, this is a product. Then there is a product called Exaliting, which is basically in-memory management of the BI tools. And so the whole lineup is there, which makes things simpler. Performance goes many notches high, and the affordability is such that when I say affordability, it is subjective. When you say affordability in terms of the initial cost, it may seems a bit high, but you need to see the whole value which is coming up through these kind of implementation, by retiring your legacy system, by making things means the cost getting reduced in terms of management, making the system available to the user, to the end user whenever they need to book their products. So no loss of business. So you need to look in totality to see the benefit of the engineered system. So the current Exadata or the Oracle Exadata machine, it is good for your data warehousing, your online transaction processing loads, and any kind of a mixed load also it can manage very well. You can do your consolidation, you can bring, it's a big huge machine, and you can bring all your products together into one. The benefit is if we are running Oracle on Exadata, the performance is almost 10 times faster because the software is optimized, the hardware is optimized, the storage is optimized, the compression is optimized. So everything is optimized to make things work in a blazing fashion. So we have worked with so many clients and they have seen the real value. Whenever the implementation is over, they have actually praised the product, the kind of a product it is and the kind of benefit it gives back to them. So that is good. And I'll come to this efficient storage. The storage is almost reduced 10 times. So if you are earlier having a database of 100 TB maybe, so it can be compressed. Columnar compression is there, other kind of compression is there, so it can be reduced to almost 10% of what you are using right now. Yes, the lower operational and capital cost means the management is much easier through Enterprise Manager and the products like that. Then it is most available and secure, and there are few unique features which I'll come to the next slide also. This is a kind of